Hello everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're tackling a topic that's close to my heart, kidney health. Specifically, we're diving deep into creatinine, a marker in your blood that tells us how well your kidneys are filtering waste. High creatinine levels? That's a red flag we don't want to ignore, but don't stress because I'm arming you with 7 simple daily habits that can make a world of difference in managing those levels and keeping your kidneys in tip-top shape. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the cornerstone of kidney health, staying hydrated. You see, our kidneys are like these amazing filtration systems, working tirelessly to remove waste products from our blood. And just like any filter, they need a steady flow of fluid to function optimally. That's where water comes in. When you're properly hydrated, your kidneys can flush out toxins and excess creatinine more efficiently. Think of it like this. Water is like a gentle stream that helps carry away the debris, preventing any buildup that could stress your kidneys. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much water is enough? Well, the general rule of thumb is 8 glasses a day, but listen to your body. Factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health can influence your individual needs. A good indicator is the color of your urine. Pale yellow or clear, you're golden. Darker shades? Time to grab that water bottle. Remember, staying hydrated isn't just about chugging water. Fruits and veggies like watermelon, cucumber, and spinach are packed with electrolytes and can contribute to your daily fluid intake. So ditch the sugary drinks and make water your new best friend. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Let's talk protein, specifically red meat. Now, I'm not saying you need to go full vegetarian, but reducing your red meat intake can significantly impact your creatinine levels. Red meat is rich in a compound called creatine, which breaks down into creatinine in our bodies. While our kidneys usually filter this out, a diet heavy in red meat can put extra stress on them, leading to elevated creatinine levels. Think of it like this. Imagine your kidneys as a hardworking team, and each serving of red meat is like adding another pile of paperwork to their workload. Over time, this can lead to burnout. By cutting back on red meat, you're essentially lightening their load, giving them a chance to function more efficiently. This doesn't mean you have to say goodbye to burgers and steaks forever. Moderation is key. Try incorporating more plant-based protein sources into your diet, like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. They're not only delicious and versatile, but also easier on your kidneys. All right, let's move on to another crucial habit: exercise. Now don't worry, I'm not talking about intense marathon training. Moderate exercise is all you need to reap the benefits for your kidneys. Regular physical activity helps improve blood flow throughout your body, including your kidneys. This increased circulation allows for more efficient waste removal and helps keep those creatinine levels in check. Plus, exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight, which is essential for overall kidney health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be anything from brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, or even dancing. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Remember, consistency is key. Now let's talk about blood pressure, a silent threat that can wreak havoc on your kidneys. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, puts extra strain on your kidneys' delicate filtering units, potentially leading to damage over time. Think of your blood vessels as a network of highways, and your blood pressure is like the traffic flow. High blood pressure is like having constant rush hour traffic, putting stress on the roads, which in this case are your blood vessels. This strain can damage the walls of your blood vessels, including those in your kidneys, making it harder for them to do their job effectively. The good news is that managing your blood pressure is often within your control. Lifestyle modifications like regular exercise, a balanced diet low in sodium, and stress management techniques can make a world of difference. If you have high blood pressure, work closely with your doctor to monitor it and discuss appropriate treatment options. Let's talk about pain relief, specifically NSAIDs, those over-the-counter pain relievers we often reach for without a second thought. While they can be effective in a pinch, it's crucial to be mindful of their potential impact on your kidneys, especially with prolonged use. NSAIDs work by reducing inflammation, but they can also constrict blood flow to the kidneys, potentially hindering their ability to filter waste products efficiently. This can lead to a buildup of creatinine in the blood. Now, I'm not saying you should suffer in silence if you're in pain. However, it's essential to use NSAIDs cautiously and under the guidance of your doctor, especially if you have any pre-existing kidney conditions. They can help you weigh the risks and benefits and suggest alternative pain management options if necessary. Let's explore the world of herbal supplements. Now, I know many natural remedies are touted for their potential kidney-boosting benefits, and while some may hold promise, it's crucial to approach them with caution. Herbs like dandelion, ginger, and turmeric have shown some potential in supporting kidney health, but more research is needed to understand their efficacy and long-term effects fully. Remember, just because something is natural doesn't automatically mean it's safe or effective for everyone. Before incorporating any herbal supplements into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, consult with your doctor. They can assess potential interactions, advise on appropriate dosages, and ensure these supplements align with your overall health goals. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about the importance of regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Think of these appointments as routine maintenance for your kidneys, a chance to catch any potential issues early on when they're most treatable. During these checkups, your doctor will likely order a simple blood test to measure your creatinine levels. This gives them a snapshot of your kidney function and helps them identify any red flags that require further investigation. Early detection is key when it comes to kidney health, as it allows for timely intervention and can prevent more serious complications down the line. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Don't wait until you experience symptoms to schedule an appointment. Be proactive about your kidney health and make regular checkups a non-negotiable part of your healthcare routine. So there you have it. 7 simple yet powerful habits that can make a world of difference in slashing your creatinine levels and keeping your kidneys healthy and happy. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes to your daily routine that add up to big results over time. Stay hydrated, enjoy red meat in moderation, get those bodies moving, keep that blood pressure in check, be mindful of NSAID use, chat with your doctor about herbal supplements, and prioritize those regular checkups. Incorporating these habits into your life isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about taking charge of your health and giving your kidneys the love and care they deserve. Remember, you have the power to make choices that support your overall well-being. Stay healthy and take care of your kidneys. See you in the next video.